Welcome to my channel. How to troubleshoot your Linksys Velop mesh Wi-Fi system issues. If really, in this video you will surely come to know about credible tips to resolve each issue with this networking device. Make sure the Linksys Velop is not experiencing a power outage. Ensure that all the cables and wires running across your Linksys Velop, modem, and computer are not damaged. Double-check for some potential defects on your Linksys Velop system. Ensure your modem is powered on and functioning correctly. Verify that the Ethernet cable securely connects the primary Velop node to the modem. Use an Ethernet cable from the node to your computer. Verify that your mesh Wi-Fi system's firmware is up to date. Detect automatic WAN port. Reset the Linksys extender to its factory settings. Hopefully, after walking through this video, you will be able to perform Linksys Velop troubleshooting. Thanks for watching.